Hello students, hope you all are doing well. I'm Supreet Kaur, welcomes all of you on our YouTube channel Smart PTE Tricks. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for your love and support. And today I'm here to announce that now we are arranging our online classes again. For some circumstances, we were not arranging online classes and we got some complaints from all of you who are interested. But now we are arranging online classes on time, especially reading and speaking modules. And if you are interested, you can contact us on the number given below, as our contact preferences are changed now. And again, I would like to thank all of you from depth of my heart, because with your love and support we are reaching here. And keep supporting.
As we embark on this intellectual voyage, let us turn our gaze to the microscopic universe that thrives within and all around us, the microbial world. These microorganisms are the unsung heroes of our planet, essential to the Earth's life cycles. They are not merely passengers in the journey of life, they are its engineers, facilitating processes from digestion in our bodies to nutrient cycling in the oceans. Furthermore, the study of microbes opens a window to biotechnology's potential, offering solutions to pressing problems like waste management and sustainable energy. The power of microorganisms is harnessed in bioreactors to clean our water and in the soil to enhance agricultural productivity. As we stand at the threshold of our careers, let's acknowledge the profound impact of these tiny, yet mighty organisms. By exploring and understanding the microbial world, we can unlock secrets to both sustaining and enhancing life on our planet. Let's dive into this miniature cosmos, for even the smallest life forms hold keys to the grandest of questions.
This era of information, the news media is the pulse of our global society. It's a powerful entity that shapes perceptions, informs conversations, and can influence public opinion. The integrity of news is vital, as it holds the mirror to the events that shape our times and the stories that stir our collective consciousness. Moreover, the news is not just about conveying information, it's about context and understanding. As consumers of media, we must be discerning, seeking out sources that prioritize accuracy and depth over sensationalism. As we engage with the world around us, let's recognize the news media as both a reflection of our reality and a construct that can be shaped for the better. Informed citizens are the bedrock of a dynamic society, and it is our duty to stay informed and be critical thinkers in the age of information. Let's commit to consuming news that not only informs but also enlightens.
Right now, I would like to talk about the global market, a dance floor where nations, large and small, move to the rhythm of supply and demand. In this dance, the markets are not just a place of transaction but a stage where the economic health of a country is displayed. Healthy markets signify a thriving economy, where goods, services, and currencies flow seamlessly across borders. Moreover, the concept of market equilibrium is key. It's the sweet spot where the quantity of goods supplied meets the quantity demanded, leading to stable prices and satisfied consumers and producers. As we delve into the complex world of economics, let's remember that it's not just about numbers and charts. It's about the human stories behind them, the jobs created, the families supported, and the communities built. Understanding the markets equips us with the tools to contribute to an economy that serves everyone.
In the midst of our academic pursuits, let us not overlook a fundamental truth: the profound connection between diet and mental health. What we eat fuels not only our bodies but also our minds. Nutritional psychiatry is an emerging field revealing how our dietary choices impact our mood and mental well-being. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, for example, are not merely good for the heart but are also linked to reduced rates of depression. Additionally, the gut-brain axis presents a fascinating narrative of communication between our digestive systems and mental states. The microbiome in our intestines may influence everything from our stress levels to our thought processes, making balanced, mindful eating an essential component of mental fitness. As we navigate the complexities of college life, let us be mindful of the sustenance we choose. A well-nourished body can be the vessel of a well-nourished mind, enabling us to reach the zenith of our intellectual and emotional capacities.
As we gather here today, let's reflect on the intricate symphony of life that is biodiversity. This variety of life forms the foundation of the ecosystems upon which we all depend. Biodiversity is not merely an assortment of flora and fauna. It's the cornerstone of the services nature provides, from clean air and water to fertile soil and pollination, all critical for our survival and well-being. Additionally, biodiversity is a rich tapestry that supports economic prosperity. The variety of species and their interactions drive ecotourism and sustain traditional industries such as fishing and agriculture. The genetic diversity within wild species is also a reservoir for improving crop resilience and medicinal discoveries. As we forge our paths, let's recognize the role we play in this balance. Our actions can either contribute to the harmony or disrupt the melody. It is our collective responsibility to conserve and sustainably manage our natural resources, ensuring this symphony continues for generations to come.